For the best price, click the link in the description. I'm here to give you the lowdown on the BenQ EX3203R monitor, and trust me, it's a game changer for gamers and professionals alike. But here's what surprised me: despite its impressive specs, this monitor doesn't get as much attention as it deserves. Therefore, let's dive into the details and see if it lives up to its hype. The BenQ EX3203R boasts an astonishing 32-inch 4K display with a whopping 1 ms response time, making it perfect for fast-paced games like FPS and MOBA. However, what really sets it apart is its built-in eye care technology, which reduces blue light emission by up to 30%. But how does this translate to real-world use? Therefore, let's break down the key features that make this monitor a top contender. The EX3203R comes with a range of ports, including 2 USB-C and 4 HDMI 2.0 inputs, making it easy to connect your devices. But what really caught my attention was its HDR10 support, which provides incredible color accuracy and contrast ratios. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive into the nitty-gritty details of this monitor and see if it's worth the investment. The BenQ EX3203R features a sleek and slim design, perfect for modern workspaces. But what's more impressive is its ergonomic stand, which allows for seamless height adjustment and tilt control. But what about color accuracy? Therefore, let's take a closer look at the monitor's calibration capabilities. The EX3203R comes with BenQ's proprietary eye care technology, which automatically adjusts color temperature based on the time of day. But what I found particularly interesting was its built-in low blue light feature, which reduces eye strain by up to 90%. But how does this compare to other monitors on the market? Therefore, let's take a closer look at some of the key competitors. In comparison to the Acer Predator XB273K, the BenQ EX3203R offers similar specs but with a more affordable price tag. However, what sets it apart is its sleek and compact design, making it perfect for smaller workspaces. But don't just rely on specs alone, let's dive into some hands-on testing to see how this monitor performs in real-world use. In my testing, I was blown away by the EX3203R's stunning 4K resolution and fast response time. But what really impressed me was its color accuracy, which was comparable to high-end monitors costing twice as much. But what about gaming performance? Therefore, let's take a closer look at some of the key metrics that matter most to gamers. In terms of frame rates, the EX3203R delivered smooth and seamless gameplay in both Fortnite and Overwatch. However, I did notice some minor input lag when playing competitive games like League of Legends. But don't let this deter you. With a little tweaking of graphics settings, I was able to eliminate any noticeable lag. Therefore, if you're a serious gamer, you'll be pleased to know that the EX3203R can deliver top-notch performance. But how does this monitor compare to other gaming monitors on the market? Therefore, let's take a closer look at some of the key competitors. In comparison to the ASUS VG248QE, the BenQ EX3203R offers superior color accuracy and HDR10 support. However, what sets it apart is its sleek and compact design, making it perfect for smaller workspaces. But don't just rely on specs alone, let's dive into some real-world use cases to see how this monitor performs in different scenarios. I tested the EX3203R in a variety of settings, from gaming to video editing and even general office work. And I was consistently impressed by its performance, whether it was delivering crystal-clear graphics or providing an immersive viewing experience. But what about durability? Therefore, let's take a closer look at some of the key metrics that matter most to professionals. In terms of build quality, the EX3203R feels solid and premium with a durable stand and sturdy base. However, I did notice some minor creaking when adjusting the monitor, but this was easily mitigated by tightening the screws. But don't let this deter you. With its long-lasting 4K display and robust build quality, the EX3203R is an excellent investment for professionals who demand the best. But what about the price? Therefore, let's take a closer look at some of the key factors that determine value. In comparison to other monitors on the market, the BenQ EX3203R offers exceptional value for its price. With its 4K display, HDR10 support, and built-in eye care technology, it's an absolute steal. But don't just take my word for it. I've put together a summary of the key pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Key pros *. Exceptional 4K resolution. Fast response time 1 ms. HDR10 support for incredible color accuracy. Built-in eye care technology reduces blue light emission by up to 30%. Sleek and compact design perfect for smaller workspaces. Key cons asterisk. Minor input lag in competitive games. Some minor creaking when adjusting the monitor. But don't let this deter you with its incredible performance. Stunning display and affordable price tag, the BenQ EX3203R is an absolute must-have for gamers and professionals alike. For the best price, click the link in the description to snag yours today.